Hello everyone, it's me, Muhammad Iqbal Sulisyo Putra, speaking from Szeged, Hungary. I'm originally from Surakarta. I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in the 11 Maret University, majoring industrial engineering. Achieving my dream list to study abroad is something that I can't be more proud of myself. It's kind of my big present for this year. I'm beyond grateful for that and honored to be the one of the worthy Indonesian International Student Mobility Awards 2021. Whoever expect as the one from 2,500 applicants across Indonesia. Even both of my parents surprised by this. I was accepted in the best university in Hungary, University of Szeged, as my host university, as you can see this, and selected Business Administration and Management faculty. So here in Uni Szeged, I have been studying 4 courses. There are Business Ethics and then Business Communication and Project Management in European Union, and lastly, Marketing Channels. Here's my journey begins. It started when I heard about the ISMA program. I got the information from my group chat. I was surprised back then to know this opportunity. Like, how could doing exchange program in COVID-19 condition? Moreover, there's many countries that close their border for Indonesia. But I know that opportunity doesn't knock twice. That's word that I know. So I dare myself to join this program because it's one of my dream list to study abroad. Speaking about my preparation at that time, I only have a little time, about 1 month, to prepare all documents related, especially for the English test. Big thanks for my home uni, 11 Maret University and its international office for giving me in-kind support and also consultation for every student who joined this program. Started from they prepared the TOEFL test and also another English test and also until the visa process. Unfortunately, I failed at my first test, and it made me think that I already failed due to time left to submit all the documents. And then I jumped to my group chat and saw there's still a chance to take Duolingo test. So that's why I decided to take it, and I still need consideration because it's my first time to take this and I was so clueless back then. But then I decided to take it, and gratefully the result was good and I can continue my process. And shortly after that, I did consultation with my lecturer in my home uni and then did the research for the course and university that I will take. Then I prepared my essay documents to submit and ready for the nerve-wracking moment that is interview process. It took almost a month to receive an email of the announcement of ISMA 2021 from Kampus Merdeka. And when I saw that I was the one applicants to study at the University of Szeged, I showed it, and I still cannot imagine myself that no, I'm here. Like I'm the one from 1,000 awardees. Praise the Lord. And jumping onto the department preparation, I was so happy to know that there's 25 awardees in the University of Szeged. What I remember the most from the moment of our departure process time was the visa application. The 25 of us have different dates and time for the appointment. Yet, it was a bit tricky for other awardees outside Jakarta because there's many requirements to go traveling at that time. Moreover, the hardest part is to keep ourselves healthy and away from COVID-19 before departure time. Talking about the fact I got positive in August and I was a little panic back then about when was the departure time. But I was so grateful everything was going well. And next, we flew together with Turkish Airlines on the 1st of September and arrived in Hungary on the 2nd of September. I, together with another awardees, landed on the European Liszt Ferenc Airport, Hungary. And then we took a long 11 hours until Hungary. I was really excited when I came first here. I was really excited to see European land for the first time in my life. My first impression of Hungary, the city, it adheres to fancy old-fashioned European culture. And it's really beautiful. Also, even for the university, you can look this building, it's so aesthetic and beautiful. What's more, I just know that Hungary is one of the cheapest country for students to study. I'm feeling so grateful to study in the heart of Europe because every day, literally, we can see the best scenery of the sky. Oh my god. But what I lost about studying in here is the education system where the lectures deliver material with interactive and implementable way. There's always discussion in every topics and it makes the class atmosphere not boring at all. And the given task was somehow great, so we can do research and know how to implement it in daily life. Thinking about it, this system could be implemented. Thinking about if this system could be implemented in Indonesia, I'm sure that it will be great improvement. Another reason, Szeged is one of the university that accept a lot of exchange students every year. So I can get along with new people from many countries and get to know their behavior. It's really interesting and fun too. Speaking about the cultural differences, I noticed many in Szeged. First, there's a table with chair in some of cafes because sometimes some of people in here like to eat food with standing position. And the second, the pedestrian is called as king of the road as the vehicle passing through, and then the car or motorcycle will stop and let the pedestrian cross by. And another prominent things is native people in here the face looks angry, but actually they are really helpful. Those events contradicts with Indonesian culture. Overall, it was a life-changing experience for me to be the part of ISMA program, and I'm so glad for that. I can say it's really challenging but worth experience because we'll live alone in here and need to get to know with new environment. And there's many development that I've already felt for myself. I'm becoming more self-aware and then becoming more solution-oriented and then more world citizen, and I can empowering others through my sharing about my experience. In the other hand, I'm so happy that I could be the representative of Indonesia to bring the culture of Indonesia in here. Also being in my home uni representative to help getting connected with the University of Szeged. It feels really different to showcase all about Indonesian in abroad. Like I felt really goosebumps when I showcase my Indonesia, and hope what a remarkable experience that I got. Hopefully I can see use this experience for pushing my goals and also future career. And I will share this experience to everyone. Last but not least, thank you so much for the Directorate General of Higher Education and then Ministry of National Education Indonesia and also LPDP. I wish I could give back from all what I've gotten here for Indonesia. I'm officially ISMA biased because I've lived my dream as the representative Indonesia by studying abroad. So that's all from me, and be bold to go abroad. See you.